In this video, we will see how Star Wars font animation is applied in PowerPoint. For that, write your text on the slide. Move the text below your slide. Go to Animation, Custom Animation, and Add Effects, Motion Path, and select Up. Then increase the length of this motion. It will look like that. After this, go to Format, Shape Effects, and 3D Rotation. Select Perspective. Then again go to Shape Effect, 3D Rotation, 3D Rotation options. Here perspective 45 degree, increase degree to 120. This is maximum. Now it is ready to run. So in this way it is working. You can slow the speed here. Now it is working. You can write your author name or any text related to your class presentation. You can subscribe our channel to watch more videos.